Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for the kids to sing. And all my people that...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. I love you guys so much. So I've been wanting to like try out some new hairstyles lately and just kind of expand upon like different ways I do my hair, especially working full time. Now, I don't want to just be stagnant with my hairstyle, so I just wanted to do a half up, half down this week. I haven't done this in a while, and my hair has definitely grown a lot since the last time I did a half up, half down. So I thought it'd be just something cute to try and see how it looks. So if you guys would like to see how I did this, just keep watching. Alright guys, so as always, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I put in my leave-in conditioner and oil off camera. For leave-in conditioner, I used my Eden Body Works deep conditioner as usual and my natural oil blend. So now I'm just starting with a medium-sized section in the back, and I will be adding some shea butter to that section and then working it through with my Demon brush and just making sure that the spot is nice and smooth and detangled. After that section is detangled, I will start a simple braid for a braid out. I chose to do a braid out on the back half of my hair just to give it some stretch and volume. I think braid outs are better for that, so I wanted a nice like big kind of fluffy look to this hairstyle, so that's why I chose a braid out for the back half of my hair. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a few more times in different sections, but I'm just repeating this process of adding the shea butter and detangling and then braiding that section down. And I forgot to mention, I don't braid my hair all the way down. I usually twist, two-strand twist a little bit towards the end and then coil the actual end of my hair with my fingers. It just gives a nice defined end to your hair instead of like ending a braid straight down, and it could be like really frizzy or fuzzy at the end when you're unraveling. So I just coil the end to give a nice polished look to the braid. Alright, so I am about to just speed through the rest of these sections and then come back when they are all finished. Now that the back section of my hair is complete, I will be moving on to the front of my hair. So for starters, I'm just taking each section out of their big chunky twist, and then I'm going to detangle both sections, and I will be using my flaxseed gel. That is the only kind of gel that I use on my hair, and I'm not a huge gel person anymore, but they're good for any type of ponytail slick back styles like that. I'll use it for. So I'm just taking some gel and applying it all around my edges, and then I'll be smoothing that in. Is smoothing a word? Whatever. So anyway, then I'll be taking a soft bristle brush and brushing in the gel. Then I'll be taking some pomade. This is Certified Bella's pomade, and just putting a little bit on top of the gel. I do this just because I don't like putting pomade directly on my hair. So I put the gel on first because I know the gel is not quite thick enough to hold my hair, and then the pomade with that on top just kind of brings it all together. So I'm just taking that section and I will be putting it into a ponytail. So yeah, I just like to put the pomade on second because I feel like it will stick too much to my regular hair strands more than I want it to by itself, rather than when I have the gel on my hair first. So now I'm just taking my ponytail and putting it into small sections, and I will be two-strand twisting those sections just to give a little more definition to my ponytail so it kind of matches the braid out when I take them out. So now I'm just gonna tie up my hair and let everything kind of settle and rest and dry. I think I let my hair dry for a day or two, but I would say to let your hair dry for at least a day before trying to take stuff out, and then I'll just be adding some hair growth oil to seal everything in. So now my hair is nice and fully dry, so I'm just gonna put some oil on my hands. This is grapeseed and avocado oil by Aunt Jackie's, and just put it on my hands to reduce frizz while I'm taking out my braids, and then I'm just gonna start taking them down. I know you guys have seen me take down, twist, and braids and things like that, but you just want to make sure to kind of take your time while you're doing this, so you can reduce frizz as much as possible, unless you like frizz and you don't really care. I have a different kind of technique when I'm taking my braids out. I kind of like to pull on them, and then sometimes they'll kind of unravel themselves. That's just when I do a really good job at braiding and nothing is like snagging and everything's even, so it's a lot easier to take them out. So now I'm just gonna grab 2 scrunchies and stretch the back of my hair out while I work on the front section, just to give my hair a little more length while it waits. Next, I'll be going in with my Kisha Collection Edge Control to really seal the deal this time. So again, I am putting it just on the perimeter of my edges and brushing it in with a hard bristle brush this time, so you guys can see it's looking down and it's looking real shiny. So after that, I'm gonna put it back into the ponytail, making it to my desired liking, tightness, everything. Sometimes you gotta play with your ponytail a little bit so you don't get like that little lump at the top, which is what I always get, so I have to be very conscious of that. So next, I'm just gonna comb out my edges and then add a little more edge control on top of them so I can swoop them how I like. Of course, this step is completely optional. Some people like natural edges, and others are like me, and you just want to swoop your edges and make them look extra cute. Now I'm just gonna tie my edges down for about 10 minutes while I unravel my twist at the top and finish the whole look. So I'm taking out my twist as normal, just unraveling them the opposite way that I twisted them in. Now I will be removing those scrunchies from the back section of my hair. And now I'm just kind of fluffing my hair out, separating some pieces. I don't want to separate all the way to the end because I want to keep a lot of the definition that I gained from this braid out. So I'm just kind of fluffing and picking to my liking. And then you could leave your hair like this, or I'm going to show you guys. I'm actually going to take my scarf down in a second to give my edges the big reveal. And as you guys can see, my hair looks super shiny, moisturized, and defined. I absolutely love the way my hair turned out. I think it looks so cute. And if you guys want, you could definitely take that top section and make it into a bun or keep it as a ponytail, whatever you'd like. But this is my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.